My name is Cory Lehman. I'm the new owner of the Mill Supper Club located in Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. I mean, it's always been, a supper club. That's what it's been, through and through that whole entire time. Obviously, through the years, things evolved and it just really turned into that classic Wisconsin, supper club. That's, really what it is today as well. I've also added some German entrees and stuff to the menu, I think, with the stone facade on the outside of the building. All the dark wood in the bar kind of really lends itself nicely towards that type of cuisine. Overall, people have been loving it so far and excited about the new stuff on the menu, as well as all the old, traditional supper club fare that's still there as well. So I think the first thing that we're going to look at is two of our schnitzels, actually, the Wiener Schnitzel and the Jaeger Schnitzel. So the Wiener Schnitzel is a hand-pounded tenderloin cutlet, floured, breaded, and then pan-fried, served with a lemon caper sauce over it. The chicken Jaeger, same thing, pounded out chicken breast, floured, breaded in panko, and then pan-fried. And then it has the mushroom sour cream gravy over it. And they get their choice of either baby red potatoes or the Spätzle case with it, and then the sweet and sour cabbage as well. Definitely most popular out of the German items, thus far. The next thing is going to do is just our grilled tenderloin. Obviously, being a supper club, steaks are huge, so it's going to do, one of our tenderloins. Obviously, they get choice of potato with that, salad bar, fresh rolls, just really all the, classic things that come along with a steak at a supper club. I think we're just going to do the deep-fried perch plate. Obviously, especially in Wisconsin, Indoor County, fish is popular all the time, but with those Friday fish fries for sure. Again, just perch, breaded, deep-fried, simple, delicious.